Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through a super useful tutorial, how to add an age verification app to your Wix website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make sure your visitors have to confirm their age before seeing your content. This is especially important if you're running a site that requires users to be above a certain age for legal or safety reasons, like for alcohol, vaping, or adult content. It's faster than you think, and I'll walk you through each step making sure nothing trips you up along the way. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're already signed in, fantastic. If not, just log into your Wix account and open up the specific site you want to edit. The dashboard is kind of like your toolkit. Everything you need to customize your site lives here. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see a small search bar up there. Go ahead and click on it. It's one of those tools that saves you loads of time. Instead of browsing through endless categories or scrolling around, you can just type in exactly what you're looking for. So, start typing age verification into the search bar. You'll see a list of options pop up. What you're looking for is the app called Age Verification by Purple. Some other age verification tools might show up too, but here's the thing. Many of those other apps aren't free, and we always love a free, reliable solution. That's why I absolutely recommend going with Age Verification by Purple for straightforward, secure age checks without any surprise fees. Once you've found it, you'll see a button that says Add to Site. Just give that a click. Now, if you've already added it before and need to update settings or make adjustments, you can just click Open. For new users, though, clicking Add to Site is where you want to be. After you've clicked to add, Wix will take a few moments to install the app onto your website. Don't worry if it feels like it's hanging. A gentle reminder that technology can sometimes take a breather. Let the system do its thing. Once it's ready, you'll see new app controls appear. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the app's setup window, and there you'll spot something labeled Age Widget Lightbox. This is essentially the pop-up that your visitors will see when they arrive at your site. Think of it like a friendly bouncer at the door. Everyone must verify their age before stepping inside. Click to add the Age Widget Lightbox to your site. That's really it. You've now successfully set up age verification on your Wix website. Once it's active, every visitor will be greeted by the verification pop-up, helping you stay compliant and keep your site's audience appropriate. It might seem like a small addition, but this widget does some really important work in protecting your business and your visitors. If you had any trouble, don't stress. Sometimes apps take a minute to load, or the dashboard layout can look a little different depending on what tools you've added. Just take it step by step and you'll get there. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see tutorials for other Wix apps or website features. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials to help you build and manage your site with confidence. Catch you in the next video.